In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and switch accounts in Telegram quickly and easily. Telegram makes it simple to manage up to 3 separate accounts inside one app, which is perfect if you want to keep personal, work, or business chats organized without constantly logging out and back in. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this may appear as 3 lines or 3 dots. Tap that menu icon to open your Telegram options. Now, look near your profile area and tap the down arrow next to your profile name. This opens the account switcher, where Telegram lets you manage multiple accounts from one place. From here, select Add Account. Telegram will now ask how you want to log in. You can either enter a phone number or use a QR code, depending on the login method you prefer. If you choose phone number, type in the number linked to the new Telegram account and follow the verification steps. If you use QR code, scan it with the account you want to add and complete the sign-in process. Once the account is added, Telegram will keep both accounts available inside the app. To switch between them, just open the same account menu again and tap the account you want to use. Telegram will instantly move you into that profile without needing to log out. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple identities, handling customer messages, or keeping business and personal conversations separate. A quick tip here: Telegram supports up to 3 accounts at the same time. So if you already have multiple logins, make sure you're adding the right one. That way your chats, notifications, and settings stay organized the way you want them. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a new Telegram account and switch between accounts inside the app. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.